Hey y'all, so welcome back to another video, and if you new here, my name is Nisha, and if you not, hey everybody. So as you guys know, as the title of this video, this is a drugstore makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using all drugstore products. And if you're new here and you watching this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get right into it. I went in with my favorite. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is so good. Like I said in one of my videos before, this is the dupe for the Milk. Foundation today, I'm going in with the Milani. This is a full coverage foundation. Go in with the Morphe spray. I'm gonna spray my face first. Let's blend it out pretty good. e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. For cream bronzing, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place foundation stick. Doing my nose, I like to just go in. The blender is just better. I'm just using a lighter shade. Going in with the NYX Sweet Cheeks. But yeah, like Milani and e.l.f. is like my favorite concealers from a drugstore. Personally, I just prefer Tarte Shape and Too Faced. They definitely like my fave. So for blush, I'm going with more of a, I'm gonna do like a pink blush look today instead of my favorite orange. I'm gonna do that one tomorrow. So for pressed powder, I'm gonna go in with my NYX and Stop One Stop matting powder. Pretty good though. Powder today, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup. This is, you don't get this from a drugstore, you get this from online on Amazon. When I first started doing my makeup, this is what I was using at first. I love it so much. So this is gonna be the only product that's not drugstore, but I don't have drugstore setting powders. I do have one, and I don't like it because it's way too drying. Like, you literally, I just don't like how it was. It was the Makeup Revolution, so I just decided to go with this. Definitely giving me a cute soft beat, but like I said, I definitely prefer my high-end stuff from drugstore, just like a little bit, but certain products I definitely like to go with the high-end. But pressing your powder in just gives you more. So for bronzer, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place. For blush today, I'm going in with the Essence. For my finishing powder, I'm going in with the NYX powder. So for setting spray, I'm going to use the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. So I like to just press that into the skin. Highlight, I'm going in with one of my favorite drugstore highlighter. Is the Wet n Wild. Because today I'm going for like more of a glossy lip. I love nude shades. Like, as y'all already know, that's the majority of the time what I wear. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. It came out so cute, as you guys already know. So this is my drugstore makeup tutorial I did. I used all drugstore products except the Sacha Buttercup. That was the only thing that I guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because when you subscribe, you'll get notification every time when I post a video. And make sure you comment below what you like about this look and what other content that you would like for me to post. So, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at shebeyond_bad. Also follow me on TikTok at shebeyond_bad, and also add me on Facebook, Anisha Allen. I'll have all of them linked in my description box, and I'll see you guys next time.